Ashburn Glass Shower Doors is the leading glass shower door and enclosure company in Loudoun County. We replace, customize, and install all glass shower door types including pivot, sliding, and frameless shower doors. We provide free estimates and a lowest price guarantee. Take a look at our portfolio.
Now that you have seen our portfolio, I want to walk you through our free consultation process. During the consultation, we will first go over the shower enclosure types you can choose from, and those include round shower enclosures, frameless shower enclosures, glass shower screens, and so much more. We will then examine what type of shower doors you would like, depending on your budget and space. Some options you have are pivot shower doors, bypass shower doors, and frameless shower doors. After we have discussed the most important features, we will then discuss the type of shower glass you would like, and there are many to choose from. To look at the different options, visit our website, www.ashburnglassShowerDoors.com, or call us immediately. You can also view the number and website on the description of the video below. We can also discuss whether you have any preference for your glass thickness. We have many hinges, support clamps, door handles, and finishing styles to choose from that will really enhance the beauty of your enclosure. Have you called us yet? What are you waiting for? See you soon.